nababo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga.
Guys, ngayon po nga daw ngayon in feature tamo or in vlog tamo, malapit siya yung puso mi.
Yes.
Both of this established business, pangadwami na lang pong feature. And masaya kami kasi collaborate la. So them products da po, makapanahon lang ngayon Valentine's Day.
So, at the same time, any event naman.
Ito. So ngayon po nga daw ngayon, abayan nyo kami kayo ng vlog ini.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so mag-umpisa tayo na guys. Kayong table ay ni siguradong akit na yung girlfriend niyo o kaya ning asawa yung babae, mga yan. O kaya hanggang ding indayo, mga yan. Basta medyo ating feminine na. Talagang kiligan eh. Makiligan lang mga yan eh. Kasi saktong-sakto la rin yung pang regalo. King Valentine at the same time, any occasion hanapin. So, pitan tayo yung Ma'am Lynn. So, yung may kapaanak ka rin eh. At tatandaan ko last year, Ma'am, di takla pa mo rin kaya katawang available products. Pero ngayon eh, may dagdagan na lang. Okay, but ating ko pang collaboration ng Love at First Bite.
Yes po. So, we have Lotus Fleurs. We sell luxury boxed bouquets, more like that.
Okay.
And we also have preserved roses. And meron na rin kami sunflower. They last 2 to 5 years. And also, we have new varieties na. We also have single bouquets and yung 3 pieces na Ecuador.
So yung mga bouquets natin, ma'am, fresh po yan. And
Yes.
Hindi to yung mga preserved.
Hindi.
Okay, so usually ma'am, ilang days yun naglalast or yung weeks yan, ma'am?
Actually, yung Ecuadorian, matagal yung lifespan nila compared to local roses.
Yes.
So, if you take good care of them, like
Yes.
you cut the stem and change the water every day, it could last even a month.
Wow. So other than that, ma'am, we've seen music
yes,
box.
we also have music box. Actually, it's from nostalgia. Nag-isip kami ng something na pwedeng i-partner sa flowers.
Correct.
So, yan, yun yung naisip niya.
Okay,
It's
so
music boxes.
Let's try this one.
Yan
So
yung
each
bestseller.
box has a different song. At yung song, pinili You Are My Sunshine. Pero ding songs daw ini guys, ali naman nga puro old songs. So atin mo naman available pang anak, like ang Kamuwana, Beauty and the Beast, My Heart Will Go On Classics. It's a good item to add kay yung gift. So aside from this one, ma'am,
This one naman, we have a package. It has a preserved rose. Ito, may on and off yung lights niya. So you can...
Okay.
Tapos yung, ano niya, may drawer na din. So you could put your jewelry.
Jewelry, so
Yes. And then, it comes with a music box and a choice of either of the two. Kung anong color, silver or gold from Malan.
Alright. Meron pang popular ka ring item mo, ma'am, is this one.
Yes,
Okay.
this one. So, it has a fairy lights. It's a balloon. Fresh Ecuadorian rose inside a balloon.
Okay.
So, it also has the lights on. So, you can turn it on and change it.
Wow, amazing. This is amazing. And then pwede mo yung pang-customize in...
Yes. Name, code, anything. Like, anything na gusto nilang ipalagay.
And then up until here, it's fresh.
Yeah, fresh.
Sabi ko na kaya kayo guys, kaya talagang kiliging di na nino panini. Yeah. So ma'am, let's talk about the cakes naman na Chukeni.
So, in collaboration with Love at First Bite,
Yes.
with Miss Fatima Garcia Santos. Yan yung mga creations niya for Valentine's. Also, she has a lot of other varieties of cake for other occasions. And nagko-customize siya ng mga cake.
Especially for your collaboration, Denny po rin available.
Yes,
So like for
correct.
example ma'am, nano la ring inclusion kay metong package niya.
So, ito yung mga packages namin. Ito yung mga cake niya. And then this one. mini
So
box.
you buy this one, you get one cake as well.
Yeah,
Yun yung
may package
package.
siya.
Okay.
You'll get like 250 discount if you get both of them together. And also, this in fresh. Kasi meron kami mga fresh niya. So yan. Any cakes and with this.
Correct. Bibili ka ng rose, hindi na problem yung cake.
Yes.
Balutan na lang kayo ng girls na additional sweets din. Sigurado kakilig nila. Interesting cake ni guys are these. Nano pong kasama ka rin?
Piñata cake.
Piñata cake. So from the word piñata, ay nga remember ko man pati ating party. Itong pagpukan yan Tapos ating mga balag either goodies or money, mga kanyan O ito na so apin inkarelang piñata cakes. Pwede may ipa-customize nung ikaw mag-order na. Either a marriage proposal, an engagement, makanyan, anything you want. Then yun naman, pwede lang mo naman gender revelation. So, boy, girl, makayan, pwede lareta. So, syempre, since Valentine, sin kahit mo is king love. Nung bagya-bagya, masya siya talaga.
Yeah.
So the sense guys is of course to destroy it. And then akita mo na ni kikilog na. Moving so kalakalali kayo because itang outer layer na is still edible. You can still eat it like this. Example tamo. Yan o, even detang gold flakes can, these are edible. Oh man. So kayong kilub na guys, ayan. Anything you want na buli mong pa-customize. Like this one, atin lang, ayan, Ferrero. And then atin yung, will you be my girlfriend?
This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
So akit tayo Imam Lin makanano nalagawan on the spot din karelang flowers. From there to a final product. So alben tayo na, sige.
Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times.
Ma'am, for sure, naring may kapanalbaya ka rin ni either itang girlfriend daw o itang boyfriend daw, maging interesado lang, makanano la avail din. So, makanano po yung kaing setup, makapag-order, mga yan.
Bali, yung Lotus Fleurs is, it's an online flower shop. So, you message us through Facebook or Instagram.
Instagram,
Yeah.
okay.
And then we also deliver anywhere in Pampanga.
Anywhere in Pampanga. Does it have additional?
Yes,
Okay,
with extra
okay.
charges as well.
Okay, okay, of
And
course.
also on Valentine's, Feb 14 to 16, we will have a pop-up booth at Glorieta 2, Makati. So we will be able to cater Lalamove deliveries around Metro Manila.
Lalamove,
And even
okay.
Cavite.
Okay, okay.
And tapos, in Pampanga naman, we will have a pop-up booth again at Vista Mall, Pampanga, Feb 13 to 14.
Wow.
And then for Love at First Bite naman, they have their physical store.
Yes.
They have 2 branches, one in Santo Tomas, Pampanga, and one in San Fernando, sa
Yes.
may bandang St. Jude.
Correct, correct. I've seen that
And then
one.
you can pick up orders there, and they deliver all throughout Pampanga.
From ini nostalgic item, novelty item, flower, cake, na ano pang pandonan mo, siya lang ang Kenny.
Yes, even necklace.
Exactly, exactly. Wow, what a great treat for your loved one. Sabi ko pinandin kita ang introduction tamo. Not necessarily girlfriend or a significant person. Pwede lang mo naman ka rin kahit mo loved ones. Like for example, family. Ayan mo na. Super, super suitable ya po ini. Kasi talagang mag-last ya. At the same time, memorable ya karela. Maging special
Yeah.
din. So again guys, if you're interested, make sure to contact po rin ang phone numbers na we're gonna be providing. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much
Thank
mo
you,
naman po
thank you,
for...
sir.
Grabe, kasi anyang mag-invite sabi ko, matula kami kasi, of course, mag-proceed yung business sa mukha niya. So, lalong-lalo na ngayong Valentine's Day, very suitable yung po yung products daw for our loved ones. So, thanks so much for watching here in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Bye-bye! Peace out!